Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 12 divided by 6 over 3 divided by 9. So we first of all solve numerator, then solve denominator. So the numerator is 12 divided by 6 parenthesis divided by 3 divided by 9. So first of all we solve numerator, then we solve denominator. So numerator 12 divided by 6 gave us 6 1 the 6, 6 2 the 12. So they gave us 2 divided by 3 divided by 9 gave us 3 1 the 3, 3 3 the 9. So they give us 1 over 3. So we apply the rule of KCF. K means keep first fraction, C means change division to multiplication, and F means flip the second fraction. So the equation become 2 over 1 multiplied by 3 over 1. So we change division to multiplication and keep first fraction and flip the second fraction. So final answer is 2 times 3 give us 6. So the final answer is 6. Thanks for watching.